Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now. Have you liked this video yet? Whether you're watching it live or after it's been recorded, it's really easy to do, just a little thumbs up. And you know that you could also share this video with everybody who happens to be following you on, well, just about any network. Google makes it easy, but in case you didn't know, as I am doing this live, I don't have the ability to swap back and forth between various computers. Let me go ahead and pull it over beyond the QR code. There's the live video. There's the comment stream. This is how I see it, at least. And they're updating live. And right here, right underneath the video, there is an option today that says share. So let me go ahead, Control zoom in, and it says share or embed this video. It's really easy to do. I click share. Let me go ahead and zoom out just a tad, and you can see I have the ability, there's the short link I can copy off. I can embed it, I can email it, or Facebook, Twitter, +1. If you didn't know, this is where they buried the +1 button. So all you gotta do is just, you press +1 there, and you can see I've already +1'd it because it's blue. If it may be white for you, but this is how you are going to connect it to Google+. Now, if you're thinking, well, Chris, I don't really use Google+, well, maybe you need to if you happen to like YouTube, because YouTube, if you didn't already notice, is starting to intersperse all your connections on Google+ with all your subscriptions on YouTube, here on YouTube's homepage. So all the people I happen to be following are circled here: Jeremy Hodges, Lewis Gray, let's see here, Christian Adams, Kim Beasley, Marcus Brownlee, of course, Wilson Tech One, or he's a subscription, but I'm also following him on, or Lamar on Google+. We've got Jody Carbone, Christy Sandhoff, the list goes on and on, but these aren't my YouTube subscriptions. These are the things that you're +1ing on Google+. So this is one of the reasons why I hope that if you like our videos, you press the like button, that you comment, but more than anything, I really want you, I'm encouraging you, I'm asking, really, if you can share them on Facebook, thank you. If you have your Twitter account connected, when you like a video, you're sending that link out to all your Twitter followers, thank you. And then +1, I think, is going to be a big deal. I have 200,000 subscribers on YouTube today, 200,000 followers on Google+, and growing. So, I mean, I'm sure there's some amount of crossover, but that's like potentially a reach of 400,000 people with the videos that we're doing on a daily basis, especially if you +1 it, because it just makes me, understand that what we're doing resonates with you in some way. So if you like the content, don't just comment. If you share it, trust me, we really appreciate it. You have no idea. Actually, I think you do have an idea. And if you don't have an idea, at least you know now, at least today, where you can easily share the video forward. And of course, we appreciate all the embeds that you might do on your blog. That's where you would copy the embed code, assuming you guys have a blog, right? People still blog, don't they? I do. Chris.Pirillo.com, LockerGnome.com. Maybe you've heard of them. We share videos there. I'd hope.